What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are unboxing my Boxy charm box that I recently just got. I got this yesterday and I wanted to go ahead and open it for you guys as quickly as possible. I don't know which day in Vlogmas we are on with this, but obviously when I get my last subscription box, which is my Ipsy glam bag, that will be the giveaway for this month, also going into Vlogmas with all my subscription boxes. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video so you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl, Senior D. And let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, hello, how are you? I'd like you guys to be a part of the hashtag Diva fam. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Also, we are in the midst of Vlogmas, so I will have my Vlogmas playlist down below for you guys and linked if you guys want to watch those videos because there's a lot of different things going on. I've got giveaways almost every single day. They're open to US and international majority of the time, so you're going to make sure you guys always check out the description box down below to see what current giveaways I've got going on, or just check out the playlist. Some of those may have ended already, some of them might still be going because with Vlogmas and just giving away stuff consistently, the giveaways are a little bit shorter just so that I can kind of get those done with and then obviously pick out the winners. But again, I appreciate you guys so much. Also, we just hit 700 subscribers on here on my YouTube channel, so I appreciate you guys so much. That giveaway I'll have a little bit longer just so I can make sure that everyone is able to enter, and obviously if we hit another 100, 800, you know I'll be doing another giveaway because every single time I hit 100 tier in my subscribers, I always want to do a giveaway that's open to everyone. But again, we are in the midst of Vlogmas, so that's what we're doing. Anyways, so let's go ahead and jump into this box. The box I was able to finally get. This is my Boxy Luxe. It is a really, really big box. So I'm excited just to kind of jump into this. We get 8 full-size products. I do believe it's, I forget how much this box is. I think it's like $60 now. Originally it was $50 and now it turned out to be $60. So we've got just a basic card here that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products that are on here for us. Came with a little bit of a bubble wrap, and let's just go ahead and dive into this. So we've got the Dew of the Gods, the Glow Weekend Challenge. This is 2 lace spun sheet masks. It just says Saturday and Sunday, a challenge for beautiful skin. Saturday is a cold elixir made with squalene. And Sunday is a restorative preservative skin cocktail formulated with retinol with hyaluronic acid to help heal and repair the skin. It is distributed in Canada but made in China. So for 2 sheet masks, I think I remember listening to Allie Dawson. She freaked out about this. $40 for 2 sheet masks. No. Why do they do this? I feel like I get the products, like the ingredients that probably go into it, but at the end of the day it says it was made in China, and I feel like anything, like a lot of things that come from China, like are made on the lower cost, the lower end, but then we get charged because of like the import costs and all those things like that. So I just feel like that's not worth $40. I don't know, you guys let me know your thoughts. Then the next item we have in here is an eyeshadow palette by the brand Mally. This is Mally Beauty Best Dressed Lids, Neutrals, and Bolds, 14 Mattes and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. It is worth $45. I don't know about $45. I mean, I know like the ABH palettes are like $54. I know obviously Too Faced and oh my god, Too Faced, and who else comes out with palettes all the time? Benefit maybe? No, it's Too Faced. Come with the peach palettes, the chocolate palettes, all the things like that. Their palettes are pretty expensive, but that's just because it's the quality and obviously you're paying for the name. So this is what this palette looks like. This is just not my jam. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you this is already going to go into the giveaway for this month. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back into the box itself. Put it right back in the bubble packaging so that when it gets to one of you, it is good to go. Okay, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. Okay, shove that back in there. Alright, and then moving on, we have right here the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I'm super excited. I've never tried this before, but obviously I've tried the dupe, which is the one by e.l.f. This is worth $23, so you know I should be doing a dupe video. I know there's probably videos out there, but it is what it is. I want to try it for myself so I know and not just believing off of the word of someone else. Then we have something here by Dear Midnight. This is To Last setting spray. Lightweight, alcohol-free, hydrating setting spray that locks in makeup, ensuring you set to last throughout the day. So it is 2.2 fluid ounces, 60 milliliters. This is what the setting spray looks like right here. It doesn't really say that it does anything or there's anything extra special about it, ingredient wise. So we're just gonna set that off to the side. I'm unsure what I want to do with that quite yet. Well, sorry guys, I'm like on my feet and on my knees. I didn't feel like sitting in my chair. I don't know why, I just didn't. Next we have right here by One Size Cure the Blur Magnet Primer. This is $30. I've actually really been wanting to try this since he launched this not that long ago. I think it was like last year, this year, I don't freaking remember. But this is what the product looks like, and I'm super excited to try that out, so I'm definitely keeping that for sure. Okay, moving on. Then we've got, let's see, this is Herbivore Cloud Jelly Vegan Colon Plumping Hydrating Serum. So packaging is super cute. I don't even know where I'm at in this. I just feel like I'm really whited out. Maybe I need to come back here where there's like less light, maybe, okay. Can we see that little strawberries and mushrooms on the side? That's kind of cute. And then pull it out. Oh, that's really cute. Except what it kind of reminds me of is Glow Recipe. It literally looks like it's trying to be Glow Recipe. A+ for packaging. Good job to you guys for that one. Okay, push that back in. Then we've got an item by Fenty. This is the Stunning Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color. I don't own any one of these in my collection whatsoever, so I'm excited for that. And this is what this beautiful thing looks like. That's so pretty. It's so bulky, but I feel like this is one of those items you would set on your vanity and it just would look pretty just to sit there just because of the shape of it. So I'm excited for that. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what the color is. So here's what the color is. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that. So it's a really pretty natural, like mauve shade. Love that. So, and it felt really smooth. It felt really smooth. And then the last item here is Off to Costa Rica Face Palette by Anastasia as well. So that's fun. I feel like I had something by them, or maybe it was someone else. No, it was by Naked. It was by Urban Decay. That I had something similar to this a while back. These shades look really, really pretty. I really want to swatch the highlighter. So the highlighter's right there. The highlighter itself seems a little off to me. I'm kind of upset about that. That's what the bronzer looks like. The bronzer should be able to work for me. Ooh, and that blush is very pigmented. So for the bronzer and the blush, those look very, very pretty, and the packaging, A+. It's very sparkly, shimmery, and it has a magnet, so really fun to travel with. But that highlighter, I think it needs a little work because it doesn't really feel like it's doing anything for my skin, and it is a little bit on the darker side, so I don't know if it will work for me. You know what I mean? Okay, so in this, from this box, the items I'm gladly going to go ahead and give away to you guys is the Dew of the Glow, or the Dew of the Gods sheet mask, and then also the palette. So that will be going into this month's giveaway. There's already other few items that are already in this giveaway for this month, so make sure you guys go ahead and check out that Vlogmas playlist to see that other video to know what I'm talking about. And that is the end of this video. Super quick. Let's just go ahead and rattle off the prices. You got $48 for the Herbivore, $58 for the face palette, which I think is a little much because how chalky that highlighter was, I'm a little bit disappointed. The Mally Beauty, that's a $45 eyeshadow palette. One Size is $30. Anastasia Brow Freeze is $23. Honestly, since I've never tried this one before, but everyone says that the e.l.f. one is just as good, maybe just go for the e.l.f. one. I don't know. I'm just saying. The Fenty is $26. $26 for a lip paint? I feel like that's a bit of a stretch there. I mean, I get it's Fenty, I get your paint because it's a Rihanna product, but I just don't know. The setting spray is $30. It's not even a well-known brand. Like, what? You're crazy. And then the Dew of the Gods is $40. So let's just go ahead and add this up in our head really quickly. $194 plus $106 brings us to $300. So this box itself, why? I don't know why. Sometimes I feel like doing math in my head and I have to do it on the spot is different. I'm so used to percentages and things like that, moving the decimal over, it makes it so much more easier. And then using a calculator or like writing it down with pencil and pen makes it so much more easier for me. Anyways, this box was $300. What are your guys' thoughts? Obviously we paid $60 for this box. So was it worth it in the end? To get the Fenty product, yes. The Anastasia products, yes, right there, that's already. And then the one size. I feel like the name brands that I actually knew, this was all worth it in the end, the $60, which I would have paid probably over $100 for these products, realistically, because that's $50 with tax, that's already 50 something, so that's 100 plus this, so 130 something dollars I would have paid for these 4 products, but I paid $60 for it, somewhere plus a little bit of tax. So I actually think this was a really good box. I'm excited to try out some of these new products. The other products, again, that I just wasn't going for, but also at the same time, I have enough eyeshadow palettes because I just recently decluttered all of my eyeshadow palettes. God, that video was something. I just released that, I think that was in today's Vlogmas Day 8. So make sure you guys check out that video because, again, there's also a giveaway in that one. But yeah, that is the end of this video. So again, I appreciate you guys so much. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl, Senior D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!